Huwag na rin po silang lahat para basbasan nila si Baby Nate with holy water. At nakausap din po namin ang ilan sa mga ninong at ninang ni Baby Nate. At ito po ang mga well wishes nila for him.
Very, very cute. Congratulations, and may Nate always be blessed with good health and happiness, and may he grow up to be a credit to his fine parents.
Bilang ninang niya ngayon, gusto ko lang siya i-assure na for the rest of his life, pwede niya akong maasahan. And I'm just so grateful kay Ogie at kay Regine that they chose me to be a part of this very special occasion.
At syempre, kinausap ko rin po ang proud parents na sina Ogie and Regine para i-share sa atin ang kanilang saloobin.
It's a blessing. Tulad na sinabi ng ni Father, from this day on, we pledge that we will be good examples to our baby. At nakakatuwa naman yung mga ninong at ninang ni Nate dahil kumbaga, I could see, no, talagang sineseryoso nila yung role na binigay namin sa kanila. At halo-halo kasi, merong nasa showbiz, merong nasa politika, meron din kaming mga good friends na ninang at ninang. And we're very thankful to them na nagpunta sila today.
Siyempre, masaya. Tsaka nagtuwa ako kasi sana na yung anak namin.
So after this thing, I guess, kasi mo na Mr. Mrs. A.
Don't believe what you see dahil lahat